This is a personalized donut name necklace. The customer picked the word donuts. Usually the customers let me know which glaze colors and toppings to add. But I put a note in the listing that if I don't get any instructions, I will make any combination that I can think of. I put wire between the letters to make it stronger. I'm using polymer clay, by the way. Adding the baked effect with chalk pastels. I bake it for 20 minutes to set. Adding liquid clay to put my personal sparkly touch with clear fine glitter. And then bake 20 minutes again to set. Time to decorate. I use a liquid clay plus solid clay mix to make the glazes. The tutorial is on my YouTube channel. Chocolate donut with choco chunks. Matcha pistachio donut. Pink strawberry donut. Caramel almond donut. Cookies and cream donut. This last one I was so unsure of, but just went with a blue rainbow sprinkle donut.